We're headed towards the first bus stop on a particular bus whose driver got my attention on the first day of school. I got an amazing email from a mom about how this particular gentleman greeted his students. It'll be a great opportunity to say thank you to him for helping those students arrive at school with a positive attitude about learning.
Thank you, Miss. Have a great day. See ya. Bye. Have a good day. Bye, Katrina. Have a great day.
I know the kids don't always say thank you, but I know they appreciate it.
I got on the bus, and I usually sit in the first seat, but that seat was taken. The man introduced himself as a superintendent, and I was like, okay, I don't really know what that is, but that's cool. And since I didn't know what that really meant, I asked him, and that started our conversation.
Sounds like a future superintendent to me.
If I could.
You can.
I think it's very good for people in those positions to come and get a better perspective of what it's like today, so that they can think about that when they are working on matters concerning those pieces of the day.
I take it versus not having it. I would hope so too. We're in good hands with Mr. Henry, I'm sure.
You know, this is the first time the superintendent come to my boys, they stay with me, and right, you know, with the kids, he made my day today. Thank you so much.
No, thank you for showing me at least a little bit of what the day in a bus driver looks like.
All right.
Really appreciate it.
Just I would like to take a picture with you. Can I do that?
I would love to do that.
Okay.